Hi everyone, I'm so excited that Earth Day is approaching. Get to your local library to explore their collection of books. This one is great, celebrating Earth Day. I will also be introducing some activities that I've searched and will share for you to complete on Earth Day as well. I'll read the description to introduce the topic. Imagine Earth as a place always clean and green, fresh air everywhere, clean water in our rivers, trees on every street. These things could happen if we all do our part to keep the Earth beautiful. Celebrating Earth Day traces the history of Earth Day from the first celebration in 1970 to today's annual observance on April 22nd. So come along and see some great things that we can do. Go on a nature walk, collect rainwater, clean up left behind trash, plant seeds or a tree, begin your garden. So here I am going on a short little nature walk. You can collect leaves, sticks and branches, rocks, pine cones to make bird feeders. Just enjoy all that's around you. So here I walk close to the lake to collect some water. I'll view it closely to see the appearance. Did you think it would look like that, everyone? And if you do choose to build a garden this month to celebrate Earth Day, these are some great books that the library has on display. It's Our Garden, Our Organic Garden, Plants, Kids Container Gardening, Flowers, Greening Up Spaces, or just some books to name. Have a great time, enjoy Earth Day, and all the activities listed to complete. Bye!